I'm here with my girlfriend Wira at the Bali Zoo. He's feeding, well, he's eating on me. We're going to the elephants, all this stuff. He's my girlfriend for today, but I'm going to go see my other girlfriend now.
I'm gonna go pee.
No, you're not taking the phone or the camera. Do you want your picture? No, I was at another place where you can sit on them and ride, but the people were in the chairs and they said, would you like to sit on the head? So I sat on the head. One arm wasn't not very comfortable. Boy, did I hang on my legs, was I sore later once.
Only omelette.
Are you right? Yeah.
Guys, you can move over there to the platform. So she will coming that way. Thank you. Yeah. You can wait over there. She will come that way. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Come that way. Over there. Yeah. Thank you. And after Septi, we have Dara, the next orangutan. As you can see, Dara and Septi also will swing with this rope and stay in the platform that we provided over there. So once again, the orangutan is not a monkey, so actually they are the eggs. And how you differentiate them, that is really easy. You can take a look from... You can take on the bed. Yeah, you can take one over there. One more? Yeah. Okay. Smile. Come on, thumbs up. Thank you. Perantakan gitu, Bro. Hello, excuse me, you want the picture? Okay, next. That's it. Yeah, close. Look at me. Okay, next. Up higher. Touch it. Look up. Nice. Next.
You need extra, just take it.
Can I help you?
Can hand you one.
So, now, low.
Up.
Up. Up. Up.
Look at me, sir.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You want another one?
Up. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
next.
Thank you for that.
Oh, no worries.
Touch it. Look at me. How's the conversation? Huh? You want one? Okay, next.
I'm sorry, I left. Hello.
Touch it. The camera. You can take 2 pieces.
Remember, the pickpockets.
Yeah, hair like my ex-husband.
Next. Yeah, mana?